Actress Sushmita Sen on Tuesday celebrated 2 years of togetherness with boyfriend Roman Shawl. Sush penned a cute love note to celebrate their love and mark the occasion. When Sush met her Roo, "Happy anniversary Roman, here's to 2 years of togetherness and counting my blessings. Babies and I love you infinity. To many more," she wrote as she posted a photo of herself with Roman. In the throwback picture, they look adorable as they smile and pose for the camera. Sushmita is wearing a black velvet shrug on a matching t-shirt, while Roman looks dapper in a white turtleneck t-shirt. On the work front, Sushmita made her acting comeback with web series Arya, which dwells into how organized crime and betrayal runs deep in a family. It is about the protagonist Arya and how she is pulled into the narcotics business when her family is threatened. The show also features Sikandar Kher, Namit Das, Jayant Kripalani, Sohela Kapoor, Sugandha Garg, Maya Sareen, Vishwajit Pradhan and Manish Chaudhary. Actress Ankita Lokhande, who dated Sushant Singh Rajput for a while, took to social media and shared a cryptic post a day after an FIR was filed against actress Riya Chakravarti by the family of the late actor. Ankita posted an image that reads, "Truth wins," on her social media without mentioning anything else. Ankita dated Sushant for almost 6 years. They met on the sets of Ekta Kapoor's TV show Pavitra Rishta. 1 month after Sushant's death, Ankita had finally penned a post on social media in his memory. Taking to her Instagram account, Ankita posted a picture of a diya, "Child of God," she had captioned the image. On Tuesday, Sushant's suicide case took a dramatic turn after the late actor's father, KK Singh, filed an FIR at the Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna, accusing 6 people, including Riya, for abetment to suicide. The police are investigating the case. On June 14, Sushant was found hanging in his residence in Mumbai. The post-mortem report had stated that the actor committed suicide. Actor Sanjay Dutt, on the occasion of his birthday, shared the first look poster from his upcoming film KGF Chapter 2. Sanjay took to Instagram to share the news. He wrote, "It's been a pleasure working on this film and I could not have asked for a better birthday gift. Special thanks to all my fans who have always showered me with their love and support." In the film, Sanjay will play the antagonist named Adhira. The film is a follow-up of the Kannada blockbuster KGF Chapter 1, which starred Kannada star Yash with Tamanna Bhatia and Anant Nag. KGF Chapter 2 also stars Raveena Tandon in a crucial role. The cast of the first film will also return, and the sequel, like Chapter 1, is directed by Prashant Neel. Actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and her daughter Aradhya tested COVID negative on Sunday and were allowed to go home from the hospital. Aishwarya on Tuesday expressed gratitude towards her fans for praying for her and her family. She wrote, "Thank you so much for all your prayers, concern, wishes and love for my darling angel Aradhya and me, truly overwhelmed and forever in debt. God bless you all my love always and prayers for the well-being of you all and all yours. Truly deeply and heartfelt, be well and be safe. God bless, I love you all too." Abhishek and Big B are still at the hospital. Actress Kareena Kapoor Khan on Tuesday shared a monochrome picture of her son Taimur Ali Khan and her niece Inaya Naomi Kemu as a part of latest Instagram trend #ChallengeAccepted. In the photo, the 2 little munchkins can be seen posing for the camera wearing fancy hats. Kareena captioned the post, "Empower, support, love." Till now, several B-Town celebs have completed this challenge. On the work front, Kareena was last seen in Angrezi medium and will next be seen in Lal Singh Chaddha alongside Aamir Khan. Bollywood actor Vidyut Jamwal is gearing up for the release of his upcoming film Khuda Hafiz. The actor was recently snapped with director Farooq Kabir near Kailasa Studio in Versova. Vidyut was seen wearing checkered shirt and denim. He was also seen wearing a mask. The film Khuda Hafiz also stars actress Shefalika Oberoi in lead role. Khuda Hafiz will release on August 14 on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Actress Ahana Kumra made a mark with her stunning performance in film Lipstick Under My Burqa. The actress was recently snapped in Lokhandwala doing push-ups and jogging. Ahana was seen dressed in orange top and black shorts. On the acting front, the actress was recently seen in web show named Betal.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.